Good morning, students. Today's topic is a poem. The title of the poem is Woman to Men. And this poem is written by an Australian poet, Judith Wright. This poem is included in the syllabus of BA Part 3rd, paper 1st. First of all, we will have an overview of the poet Judith Wright. Judith Wright was born on 31st May 1950 and she died on 25th June 2000. She was an Australian poet, environmentalist, and campaigner for Aboriginal land rights. Aboriginal, we can say Adivasi in Hindi. So she fought for their land rights. She was the recipient of the Christopher Vernon Award. She was the recipient of Australian National Living Treasure Award in 1998. Wright was of Cornish ancestry. After the early death of her mother, she lived with her aunt and then boarded at New England Girls' School after her father's remarriage in 1929. After graduation, Wright studied philosophy, English, psychology, and history at the University of Sydney. At the beginning of World War II, she returned to her father's place to help during the shortage of labor caused by the war. Wright's first book of poetry, The Moving Image, was published in 1946 while she was working at the University of Queensland as a research officer. In 1950, she moved to Mount Tamborine, Queensland with the novelist and abstract philosopher Jack McNee. Their daughter Meredith was born in the same year. They married in 1962, but Jack was to live only until 1966. She published The Nature of Love in the same year, 1966, and her first collection of short stories through Sun Press, Melbourne. Set mainly in Queensland, they include The Ant Lion, The Vineyard Woman, 80 Acres, The Weeping Fig, The Nature of Love, all first published in the Bulletin. With David Flea, Kathleen MacArthur, and Brian Clouston, Wright was a founding member and from 1964 to 1976 she also remained president of the Wildlife Preservation Society of Queensland. She was the second Australian to receive the Queen's Gold Medal for poetry in 1991. For the last 3 decades of her life, she lived near the New South Wales town of Braidwood. She started to lose her hearing in her mid-20s and she was completely deaf by 1992. Judith Wright died in Canberra on 25th June 2000 at the age of 85. Her poetry collection includes The Moving Image, Woman to Men, The Gateway, The Two Fires, Birds, The Other Half, Magpies, Shadow, Hunting Snake, etc. Her poems have been translated into several languages including Italian, Japanese, and Russian. Wright was well known for her campaigning in support of the conservation of the Great Barrier Reef and Fraser Island. With some friends, she helped found one of the earliest nature conservation movements, the Judith Wright Centre of Contemporary Arts in Fortitude Valley, Brisbane, is named after her. On 2nd January 2008, it was announced that a future suburb in the district Molonglo Valley, Canberra, would be named after Judith Wright. There is a street in the Canberra suburb of Franklin that is named after her as well. Now there is an introduction of the poem which we are going to discuss, that is Woman to Men. The poem Woman to Men, which is written by Judith Wright, describes the feeling of a woman from the time she conceives a baby until the time of labor. So here we can say that Judith Wright is talking about women in common. She is not talking about a particular woman. Here she is talking about women in general. She expresses her feeling as a wife as well as the holder of her future offspring in her belly. So here she represents the woman as a universal being or woman as general. What a woman feels while conceiving a baby and up to the time when she delivers it.